In this video, I'll show you how to get a free API key from Google AI Studio. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see several options. Look at the bottom left side of the screen and click on the Get API Key option. Next, go to the top right corner and click on Create API Key. Now, you can give your key a name. For example, you can type My Project. Below that, you'll see an option to choose or import a project. If you already have a cloud project, you can select it. Otherwise, click on Create Project. Enter a name for your project, such as Something Right, and then click on Create Project. Once your project is created, it will be selected automatically. Now, click on Create Key. After a moment, your API key will be generated. To copy your API key, simply click on the key and then tap on the Copy option. Now it's saved to your clipboard and ready to use in your projects. On the right side, you'll also see options to rename or delete your API key if needed. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a free API key using Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.